Hi, good evening, everyone. With an intensive 48-hour session, productive and fruitful, filled with numerous technical and social initiatives under one single hood of HackBMU 5.0, we feel immensely glad to address you on HackBMU's closing ceremony today. After receiving a whooping 630 plus registrations from 13 different countries, HackBMU 5.0 concluded with a total of 61 teams participating for a pool prize of rupees 85 lakhs. And today we are here to conclude our annual flagship event. We have achieved a lot, and I'm very glad that I still see so many people staying behind to attend the closing ceremony. So, over to Weber.
Without any further ado, I would like to call upon our beloved Dr. Anirban Chakrabarti. Professor Anirban is currently the Dean, School of Engineering Technology, and the Dean of Research at BML Munjal University. He is on leave from the position of professor at the School of Computational and Integrative Sciences and concurrent professor, School of Sanskrit and Indic Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. He is also a founding member, Center of Complexity Economics, Applied Spirituality and Public Policy, Opichinda Global University, Sonipat, and an international member of Centro International de Ciencias, AC, Mexico. He is also a research advisor and mentor of Sabut Foundation and a consultant to the Dono Consulting Private Limited. The stage is all yours, sir.
Namaskar, good evening. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir, you're clearly audible.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, all the organizers, for inviting me and giving an opportunity to address all the participants and the mentors of this Hack BMU 5.0, which was organized by the ACM chapter of BMU, I believe. So, congratulations to you all. I think you all have attracted more than 630 participants across 15 countries and more. That's a great thing to do. It's an honor for a country to host such hackathons. And what we were, about a decade ago, people would have thought that everybody needs to learn how to code, but the future lies not with the coders, but those who can engineer solutions by leveraging the data. And I think that the skills that you will use, you will probably take it to that direction. So, as you all know, that we are in a digital world. We have seen how we adapted during the pandemic and how millions of people were affected, and only because of the digital technology, many of us could continue the teaching and learning in this pandemic. Of course, we were the very fortunate ones who continued. There were millions who were affected very badly. You would have realized in different ways, and hopefully, it will give us important insights and learnings from where we can take it forward, so that we are better prepared for a world, if in case something like this happens at a greater scale or a thing. Now, I am sure that all of you are very good to learn about the results. I believe that there are wonderful cash prizes and opportunities, and there will be also internship opportunities, and international integration with the tech community, and of course you would be in touch with the industry leaders. So I hope those who win the prizes and those who were not lucky enough to win the prizes, but I am sure that you all came up with wonderful ideas of innovation, and these type of ideas where you have these solutions to different problems. I'm sure that many of these can be converted to entrepreneurial and opportunities. So I hope this would not be an end to your effort. You would continue from here on and try to convert them, whatever you learned, those skills and the solutions that you proposed. I hope you would be able to convert them into technology for the real world applications. So, again, congratulations to all the winners, all the participants. Even if you don't win, it's great that you all participate, because from every participation you can learn a lot and build on your skills. So I would also want to thank our partners who sponsored the event, especially uh, the power dare to compete. Our title sponsors, Spheron and Major League Hacking, among many others. I'm sure all the partners would be, acknowledged in by the organizing committee. But I thought I would say a thank you to all for encouraging young and budding, hackers. And ethical hackers. I'm sure. So thank you very much. I would now like to hand it over to the organizers.
Yes, thank you, Anirban, sir, for your words of wisdom. Thank you so much.
It's great having you here, sir. And we are really honored to have you here. For thank you so much for taking out time out of your busy schedule for this event. And now the time has finally come for the results to be announced. So, participants, please fasten your seatbelts because now the results are on. The third prize goes to Team Lazy Singletons. Something about their project, Lazy Singletons made a web app that provides an end to end solution for your legal needs. Whether you are looking for an advocate for your court case or just need a quick, reliable legal advice from a professional, our help will help you connect with the right expert quickly. With features like Document, Summarize, and Analyzer, any non professional can easily and quickly understand the complexities of their enormous legal contracts. Congratulations, Team Lazy Singletons, for the third prize. Now, on to the second prize. The second prize goes to Team Voyage. Team Voyage made a visual speech recognition that is created in hackathon, also known as lip reading, relies on the lip movements to recognize speech without relying on the audio stream. This is particularly useful in noisy environments where the audio signal is corrupted. Automatic lip reading aims to recognize the speech content by watching videos. It has also a lot of potential applications in both noisy and silent environments and will help deaf and dumb people to communicate as the system works both ways. It also has a module which can convert sign language into text with accuracy of 76.5 in visual model. Congratulations, Team Voyage, for winning the second prize in HackBMU 5.0. Now the first prize goes to Team DNSNC. Team DSNC, the project Ergonomic Assessment using Pose Estimation, aims to provide an assessment tool to assess, identify, and eliminate hazards and risk associated with the ergonomic of an individual and also monitor fault detections. It ensures that everyone can assess their postures and help them to correct their posture to prevent from being affected by musculoskeletal disorders. With an image or a video of a person captured, this application finds it if the posture is risky or not based on an injury standard. Ergonomic assessment techniques such as the rapid upper limb assessment and the rapid entire body assessment. Congratulations, Team DNSNC, for being the first prize winner in HackBMU 5.0. Now I would like to uh, Now I would like to call Mr. Manoj K. Arora, Vice Chancellor, BML Munchal University. Professor Manoj Arora is a PhD in remote sensing from Swasnia University, UK. He is also a postdoctoral research fellow for about 2 years in NASA-sponsored project in the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science Department, Syracuse University, USA. He completed his Master's of Engineering degree in Civil Engineers in 1986 from the University of Roorkee and Bachelor's of Engineering degree in Civil Engineer in 1984 from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. During 2013 to 2018, he led Punjab Engineering College, a deemed Indian university, as the director on a 5 year tenure and was on leave from IIT Roorkee, where he served as a professor in the Department of Civil Engineer up to November 2018. He has served on a number of committees of IITs, DRDOs, UPSCs, CSIR, UGC, AICTE, MEITY, DST, and other organizations of excellence. Thank you so much for joining us here, sir. I now hand over the virtual stage to you.
Thank you, Vaibhav. So finally, the hard work of 48 hours is over. It must have been an engrossed experience, isn't it? You all know
Totally,
that.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. So first of all, I think I must thank the members of ACM chapters, colleagues, students, and participants in participating in this event with all its sincerity. Although the event was held virtually, but I think even the virtual version would have been very very satisfying. Although it would have increased the challenges for all the competing teams and organizers, but the successful conduct of this huge event in itself is a testimony of the human inventiveness, tenacity, and ability to overcome challenges and to innovate. You all know that hackathons are organized to promote team building, to try something new, to get refreshed by work, meeting other people and networking, building trust and relationships, understanding your peers better. It promotes morale, it promotes innovation and whatnot. Uh, I'm sure you would have accomplished a few from this list, if not all, during this 48 hours of your journey. I'm told that more than 600 engineers and developers from all over the world registered in this event. And I just heard that 61 teams participated in this event to create uh, many products, I would say, and applications. Uh, you know, we would have given some problem statements, but we did not, and we kept it open, uh, just to explore the participants imagination and creativity and let it run free. There were, I'm told, many events and mentoring sessions as well during these 2 days, which I think would have engaged you throughout the event. uh, I'm confident that you would have learned many things, like as I said earlier, team spirit, collaborative work, critical thinking, leadership skills, communication skills, empathy, and many more. And in this process, would have made some good friends also. I will echo the words of Professor Anirban here that the solutions provided by all the teams would certainly have the potential to get converted into proof of concepts, prototypes, and products, which could lead to technology transfers, patents, and businesses in near future, and which could certainly have an impact on the society. I must compliment all of you in taking part in this event. Our Prime Minister once said that the power of youth comes from openness to new ideas and innovations and the ability to take risks. Your journey begins now. The pandemic has not only thrown many challenges to us, but has created many opportunities. We need to think differently to embrace them opportunity and work on society relevant problems. I have full confidence in the energy, creativity, and out of box thinking of you all. You can certainly offer sustainable and holistic solutions and can play a key role in giving shape to the post pandemic world. In my opinion, all of you are winners. I'm sure that many of you will go further and become entrepreneurs. So, congratulations to the winning teams, Lady Singleton, Desins, Team Voyage. I think you all deserve a big round of applause. My sincere thanks to all the evaluators and mentors, as you were the key part of this event. I'm proud of our students of ACM chapter for organizing such a wonderful event, the fifth version of Hack BMU. I must thank Dr. Devanjali and the whole BMU team, the faculty, staff, and all the offices who were involved either directly or indirectly in coordinating this event at BMU. My profound gratitude to our sponsors, MLH, the event partner, Spheron, our title sponsors, and the event, I'm told, was powered by D2C. Many thanks again. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you all. Enjoy your evening, rest of the evening.
Thank you so much for this invigorating speech, sir. We are grateful that you made time to be with us today. Now, moving on to Mr. Kunal Kushwaha to present the prizes for the Hack PMU closing ceremony. Hello, Mr. Sir, Kunal Kushwaha, sir. The virtual stage is yours to present the prizes now.
Hey everyone, you don't have to call me sir. I'm probably the same age as you, but I'm super excited to be here. And thanks for having me. And yeah, thanks for giving the shout outs to MLH and all the other amazing sponsors. Um, Sponsors play a huge role, and it's a collaborative effort. Like participants and you all and the judges and mentors. So great job. 600 plus registrations from 13 plus countries. That's a big achievement, and you all should be really proud of you. And yeah, so let's go ahead with the announcement. So we are announcing the sponsor categories. And first of all, congratulations to all the top three, winning teams. So the first one we have is the best like beginner hack, because hackathons are for everyone: coders, non-coders, beginners, professionals. So this hack is dedicated to folks for whom it was like their first event and who are like new to hackathons. So the winner for the best beginner hack is Team SEI. So congratulations. And speaking of like inclusiveness, hackathons are not just like for coding related stuff. For the hardware enthusiasts as well, we had a sponsor prize by DigiKey. So the best hardware hack sponsored by DigiKey, the winner is Team Omega. So congratulations, Team Omega. You'll be receiving a nice little kit from DigiKey. And the next sponsor prize we had was the most creative use of Twilio. And the award for this one goes to Water Saviors. So, congratulations, Team Water Saviors. Great job. And speaking of, cloud technologies, so best use of Linode. Um, so this particular category is you have to use cloud to host your project and stuff. And the winner for this category is Tapusena, like the team name over there. And last but not least, you have to share your project with your friends. You need a domain name for that, which we had the best domain name from GoDaddy Registry. And the winner for the best domain name from GoDaddy Registry goes to Team Bug Slayers. So, congratulations, everyone, and great job reaching out to you for your amazing prizes. And yeah, it was great, and had a great fun at the mini event as well. Lots of folks joined in. We had like lots of nice, interactions, and hopefully we'll see you in the next event as well. And yeah, thanks a lot for having me. It was a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, heartiest congratulations to all the participants and teams, not only to those who won, but also to those who put in all their heart and soul to work on their lovely projects and helped us making the overall experience fun, jolly, fruitful, and seamless. Thank you so much, everyone, for making this event a grand success. All this wouldn't have been possible without you all. So, on this positive note, we would like to conclude with our event. Stay safe, stay healthy, bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you